Alright, so I'm sure you're trying to figure out why I am so excited about my package that came in from Peculiar Roots. I am very particular about what I put in my hair. So when I found out, one, that Peculiar Roots is based in like Greensboro, neither here or there, they're stateside. I was excited. And then on top of that, just the simple fact that the owner's mantra basically is very simplistic, that I was just super excited for that. Homegirl of mine, she had it. I was inclined to get it, so then I got it. And I will say that this stuff is legit. In fact, it'll probably be wash day in about a couple of days. I want to push an extra week, but I'm the type of person that likes to actually do my hair almost every 2 months. So these curls have been in my hair since March 16th. So we're going to wait a little bit. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that is in this particular package that I got. The first thing I got was the ACV apple cider vinegar shampoo. I am big on apple cider vinegar. It's just that with the actual apple cider vinegar detox, if you do your hair, or you have your hair in that for so long, it strips everything. This will not strip anything, and you can wash it if you have natural hair. So it's not just locks. It's also for those who have the good pretty froze and the curly 2-strand twist type wavy, whatever texture, it's going to work for you, and you can use this a lot more than just doing a regular ACV detox. The other thing is the conditioner. I'm big on conditioners, but I don't do them a lot. Conditioners usually for me consist of like rose water and some kind of Jamaican castor oil or whatever. But this I can be able to use if I don't have the oil or the rose water. It's just not really my style at that moment. I'll take that. And then I got this mousse. So when I retwist or do these like curls, I put that on so it keeps that nice little bounce. Okay, look, my hair is just not it right now, but this is it. Especially for anybody who wants to 2-strand twist. Do something like this. Hold whatever your style is, and then on top of that, it's frizz free. Jesus, whatever. Other thing I got is the lock pomade. This also can be, I don't know if you can, whatever. Lock pomade. You can use this for when you retwist. So you see my roots is be struggling, but this does not give me any kind of like buildup. Like this might have a little bit of buildup, but it's also because I haven't washed my hair in a while. But like even still, it's not really a lot of buildup. But this right here is certainly there to make sure you don't have buildup in your hair. But you can use this style, and you can use it to slay your edges. That's why they gave me this. They gave me an edge brush with a comb, sis. A comb. Yes. And then my favorite thing is oil. You know, you need oil in your life, or else you just be sitting around here with dandruff and all kinds of stuff. But this is definitely an oil. I'm trying to see what they have. It's coconut oil, castor seed oil, hemp seed oil. Very simple. Like I said, everything is simple. But like I said, simple is better. So I'm impressed about that. And then last but not least, so take everything out. They give you a towel, like an actual towel, and the towel has a little button so you can pin it up. Like, you know, like literally. This is cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, I'm excited. So, Because my friend introduced this to me, I want to bless you. So if you go to my link in my bio, and check out whatever you want, I also have a special, what do you want to call it? Discount, you know? I understand times is rough. We need a little discount here. They have stuff on sale, but then on top of that, you can use a discount too. And it will make your life a lot better. You can get a box or you can get things single, depending on whatever you want to do. So, again, the link is in my bio. The code is Lilyamore, LILYAMOR. And you put that in when you check out, and you'll get a discount. So, enjoy. I hope you like my box, because I like my box. I'm excited for my box.